How to show unread message count on Zoom mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show unread message count on Zoom mobile. First go to Zoom and then click these 3 points here, click on it and then just click this one, chat here, and you will find this one here, show unread message count for channels. Just click on it if you want to turn it off, and as you see has been turned on. And if you want to turn it off again, just click on it, and that's it. It's easy, of course. That's how many show unread message count on Zoom mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.